Hi friends, in this problem we are given this equation x square minus 2x plus 2 equals 0. Then what is the least value of n for which alpha and beta are the roots of this equation? Whole power n equals 1. First let us find what are the roots of this equation. Then we will try to find out alpha by beta whole power n. Right. We know minus b plus or minus b square minus 4 is equal to a is of the roots for any quadratic equation. Let us input that. Then we get minus of minus b, which is minus of minus 2, which is 2 plus or minus b square. That is 4 minus 4 is 4 into 2, 8. 4 minus 8 by 2, 8. So clearly 4 minus 8 is minus 4. That means the roots are complex. My root of minus 4. What is it? 2i, right? 2 square I square. Minus 4 is 2 square I square, which is root of minus 4 is 2i. So 2 plus or minus 2i by 2. That means if we take 2 common, 1 plus or minus I. These are the roots. Alpha is 1 plus I. Beta is alpha minus, sorry, 1 minus I. Now alpha by beta whole power n equals 1. That is what that is given. Let us use this 1 plus I whole power n by 1 plus 1 minus I whole power n equals 1. Right, let us rationalize the denominator. Means we'll multiply with its conjugate both numerator and denominator. So 1 plus I into 1 plus I by 1 plus I into 1 minus I. If you do this multiplication, 1 square plus I square. Right, 1 square plus I square plus 2I. Right, this is 1 plus I whole square. Right, 1 square plus I square plus 2I. And here is a minus b into a plus b. That is 1 square minus I square. Right, but I square is equal to what is I square? I square is minus 1. So this and this will go away. These two will get cancelled, right? Right, and 1 minus I square is 1 minus of minus 1, which is 2. Right, so 2i by 2, whole power n, this part is. So 2 we can cancel, I power n equals 1. Here the question is about minimum n. When is it? Because when I square equals 1 equals I square equals minus 1. We know that, right? And then I power 4 equals 1. Right, I square is minus of I power 4 equals 1. And so I power 4, 8, whatever, those things you can do, but the minimum n is then n is 4. This is a simple problem. Right, guys? Hope you like this. Bye bye.